Techno update. Subscribe now.
Lenovo Vibe K4 Note Review. Smartphone with 5.5-inch screen is indeed marketed specifically in developing countries with high population. The main advantage is the Theater Max feature to enjoy virtual reality. If you use Google Cardboard or any other special VR headset, you can only enjoy virtual reality content only. But on Lenovo Vibe K4 Note, explore the menu can be done with the sensation of VR. Is a Theater Max feature that can divide the two display screen Vibe K4 Note horizontally. When viewed using the AR/VR headset, any display of the smartphone screen can be enjoyed like watching in the cinema. You can browse, play games, stream videos, or watch movies with extra large screens right in front of your eyes. Because it is designed for virtual reality entertainment, Lenovo Vibe K4 Note also supported two speakers on the top and bottom of the screen. This speaker sounded loud though not too detailed. But if used while watching using AR/VR, the sound directly up to your right and left ear. As a 5.5-inch smartphone, Lenovo Vibe K4 Note has a wide body dimensions and sturdy. This smartphone is made of aluminum alloy on the chassis and plastic on the front and rear. The battery cover is also removable, in which there is a dual-slot micro-SIM hybrid that integrates with the microSD slot, while the battery cannot be removed. Similarly, Lenovo Vibe P1 Turbo K4 Note comes with two user interfaces at once. You can choose a Google UI, Vibe UI or UI. Vibe UI on K4 Note also features gestures such as double tap to wake or flip to mute. Quite useful though not many other gesture options. Just below the main camera on the rear body Vibe K4 Note there is a fingerprint sensor. This sensor can only accommodate 2 fingerprints only. This is reasonable because it is in the back, so you will only use your left or right index finger just to open it. Touching the sensor when the smartphone is locked can unlock immediately, no need to press the power button. This fingerprint sensor can also be used instead of back button and recent apps, as well as shutter for shooting. Conclusion. If you do not want to bother to buy a separate smartphone and VR headset, the Lenovo Vibe K4 Note could be quite interesting solution. The price is still rational. Bundling Vibe K4 Note with AR/VR can create a private cinema atmosphere, regardless of content.